What's going on, everybody? All praise, glory, and honor goes to the Most High. I'm really quick. I just want to show you something that I did last night concerning investing. I was just marking up a chart. These yellow lines are lines that I've been having. This this blue turquoise lines are my trend lines, and then that's the line pointing out the pattern. This was looking like a bullish flag pattern. It typically looks like it's going in a downward motion in a bullish flag, but it could go sideways as well to move consolidated. It just varies. And I don't want to talk too technical for the people that don't know, but I want you to just listen up, right? So let me go on ahead, go to my Snapchat. You feel me? Just so y'all know this is real time. Yes, this is me. Oh my gosh, yes, wow. Um, so this right here is the markup that I did last night. Um, it's February, is it 7th or something like that? I don't know. I'm gonna have to go check on my time, but this is the markup I did, and the reason why I made that call out at that price point at that area is because I saw the rejection looking from left to right. You always want to look from left to right whenever you're doing any financial investing. Whenever you're looking at the charts, you want to look at the history, and you want to look at the potential of price action and where things could go. I don't want to give you all these terms. If you want to learn these terms, learn them. But you want to look at previous market history and price action history, et cetera, et cetera. And you want to look at where things, you want to look at support and resistance. You want to look at where the market uh, bounced off of different areas. And that's basically why I put this call out of price area testing. And off of this bullish flag that it made, it did a breakout and it was going to test, and it did a retracement, then it did a a rally. So basically, let's go. You feel me? Go to TradingView. You feel me? Go to the my watch list. Biddy, launch the chart. You feel me? And I'm gonna be quick on here, right? If this loads up, goodness. All right. So you see right, right here. Yeah, there it goes. I pointed out price uh, area testing right here. It tested off it, bounced, it did a pushback, a pullback, should I say, and then it did a rally upwards, right? And snap. For the people that don't know, there's something called, I'm giving out too much sauce. I'm giving out too much sauce. I can't do that. But point is, just look at trading isn't hard. Just look at the area. You see this area right here? It's something called supply and demand zones, right? It's areas. You really don't even need all these lines. I just put these lines there for different things at a different point, different time in my trading life. But you see how it failed and rejected off this area? A lot of people was looking for, oh, Biddy's gonna sell, but some people didn't look at the fact that it did a flag, right? And so now it did the pull back, pushback, and then it made a rally, right? So just stay, if you're investing, learn the bullish flag patterns, the bearish flag patterns. Learn these different things, confluence trade, et cetera, et cetera. I'm saying too much, but I just wanted to really show you an example of a what you could call bullish flag pattern. Usually, I don't know, is it gonna let me draw? Um, I could draw. Okay, I'm gonna try to draw. Ain't letting me draw. Anyways, usually it would be going downwards in this motion right here in this area where they have these two turquoise lines. It would be going downwards then up, but it just went in a consolidated motion and then up. But I kind of knew what the play was. You feel me? So there's a lot of money to be made. Point of what I'm saying is there's a lot of money to be made in the trading atmosphere. Learn different patterns. Um, Look at the analytics. Check out check out different, you know, websites that have the drop on, these different things. Uh, that's all I can give y'all right now. Y'all have a truly blessed day. Um, if you haven't ever traded a day in your life, don't be scared to invest just because of people's negative perceptions or negative views on trading, or, you know, whatever connotation that a person has had. You don't know if you're good at something or bad at something until you try it. So my advice to you is to try. Don't be discouraged about what other people say about something. Try it for yourself, because you might be that person that's good out of it. A lot of people might not be good out of it, but you might be that person that's good at trading. Right? You might see patterns. It's almost like playing a matching game. You feel me? But you have to train your brain. You have to be disciplined. It's a bunch of different things to this. But, you know, hey, you feel me? You gotta if there's no risk, there's no story. You feel me? Any great story you have in this world usually comes with a risk. It usually comes with some type of trial and error. You're not gonna win all the time, but you can win a lot. You feel me? And this is coming from a person that's still learning. You feel me? A person that's still grinding, still getting better. You know, but this is just something I saw last night. This is something that you can look at and be like, okay, well, let me go look up some of the terms that he talked about, and maybe start doing a little research, start taking notes. Right? I dropped a couple gems, just a few gems. I don't want to call it gems. I just dropped a few terms in this video that you can go look up and go assess, and be like, okay, let me write that down. Let me write this down. And maybe you'll learn a thing or two. The best thing to do every day is to learn something new. Always stay in a state of learning, growing, maturing, and being humble. Because if you become proud or haughty, or if you become that person that's, too big to do the little things, or, that something's above you, below you, that's how you get brought down low. So always remain a student. You never know if you got to teach one day. You feel me? You never know if you could show somebody old something new, or if you could show somebody in your peer group or younger than you something new. Right? This is what it's about. Trading, investing. It's just one aspect to life. There's so many aspects, but I just wanted to drop that on y'all. You feel me? This is Avery. Hey, this is Avery shooting love at you. I'm out. Y'all be easy. Hey, let's get it. God bless y'all.